Saratoga County is a county in the U.S. state of New York. As of the 2019 U.S. Census estimate, the county's population was 229,863, representing a 4.7% increase from the 2010 population of 219,607, representing one of the fastest growth rates in the northeastern United States and the fastest growing county in upstate New York. The county seat is Ballston Spa. Saratoga County is included in the Capital District, encompassing the Albany-Schenectady-Troy, New York Metropolitan Statistical Area. Saratoga County's name was derived from the Iroquois word Saraka or Saratoga, meaning the hill beside the river, referring to the Hudson River bordering the county on its eastern flank and the Mohawk River, delineating its southern border. Saratoga County, bisected by the toll-free 6-lane Adirondack Northway, serves as an outdoor recreational haven and as the gateway to the Adirondack Mountains and State Park for the populations of the Albany and New York City metropolitan areas. The county is also home to the internationally renowned Saratoga Racecourse, one of the oldest venues in horse racing. Saratoga County lies at the heart of eastern New York State's recognized Tech Valley, a growing center for the computer hardware side of the high-technology industry and its concomitant venture capital investment, with great strides in the nanotechnology sector, digital electronics design, and water and electricity-dependent integrated microchip circuit manufacturing, involving companies including IBM, Global Foundries, Samsung, and Taiwan Semiconductor, among others. The Fab 8 campus of Global Foundries, a company specializing in the semiconductor industry, is a multi-billion-dollar venture being developed in Saratoga County near a section of the Adirondack Northway. When counties were established in the province of New York in 1683, the present Saratoga County was part of Albany County. This was an enormous county, including the northern part of New York, as well as all of the present state of Vermont and, in theory, extending westward to the Pacific Ocean. This large county was progressively reduced in size by the separation of several counties until 1791, when Saratoga County and Rensselaer County was split off from Albany County. The battles of Saratoga marked the climax of the Saratoga Campaign, giving a decisive victory to the Americans over the British in the American Revolutionary War that convinced France that the 13 colonies could win the war. The government of Louis XVI began lending military and financial aid to the American Patriot cause. During the 19th century, Saratoga County was an important industrial center, its location 30 miles north of Albany on the Delaware and Hudson Railway, as well as its proximity to water power from the Hudson River and the Kayaderosseras Creek, led to rapid industrial development beginning in the early 19th century. Some of the most important industrial employers were paper mills, tanneries, foundries, and textile mills. Since the construction of the Adirondack Northway in the 1960s, Saratoga County has consistently been the fastest growing county in the Capital District and indeed in upstate New York, and one of the fastest growing in the U.S. Northeast. The county has historically maintained a low county tax rate. According to its official website, Saratoga County levies one of the lowest county tax rates in New York. Saratoga County is situated in the eastern portion of New York, north of Albany, northwest of Troy, and east of Utica. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the county has a total area of 844 square miles. At the waterfront of the village of Waterford, at the confluence of the Mohawk and Hudson rivers, Saratoga County is bordered by 8 counties, listed clockwise. They are: in 1960, Saratoga County had a population of only 89,000, less than half of its population in 2019, estimated at 229,863. As of the 2010 United States Census, there were 219,607 people, 88,296 households, and 58,814 families residing in Saratoga County. The population density was 271 people per square mile. There were 98,656 housing units at an average density of 122 per square miles. The racial makeup of the county was 94.3% white, 1.8% Asian, 1.5% Black or African American, 0.2% Native American, 0.0% Pacific Islander, 0.5% from other races, and 1.7% from two or more races. 2.4% of the population were Hispanic or Latino of any race. There were 88,296 households, out of which 29.5% had children under the age of 18 living with them. 53.3% were married couples living together. 9.1% had a female householder with no husband present. And 33.4% were non-families. 26.1% of all households were made up of individuals. 31.5% of households had individuals under 18 years. And 9.5% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.44 and the average family size was 2.96. Of Saratoga County's population in 2010, 6.3% were between ages of 5 and 9 years.